Hey guys, today I will tell you how to add XRP to your Coinbase wallet. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is ensure you have the Coinbase application installed on your mobile device. Open the app and locate the search bar positioned at the top center of your screen. Type in XRP to find the cryptocurrency you want to purchase for your wallet. Be careful to select the correct XRP option as there may be similar looking tokens. Once you've located the genuine XRP cryptocurrency, tap on it to access its details. You'll see price charts and various information about XRP on the screen. Locate and tap the buy and sell option at the bottom left of your screen. Select the buy option to begin the purchasing process for XRP cryptocurrency. Enter the dollar amount you wish to spend, such as $10 in the amount field. After entering your desired amount, tap the pay with option to select your payment method. You can choose Apple Pay or add a new payment method like a bank account. To add your preferred payment method, tap Add Payment Method in the center of your screen. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account or credit card information. Once your payment method is confirmed, click Review Order to verify your transaction. When everything looks correct, tap Buy Now to complete your XRP purchase transaction. And that's how you add XRP to your Coinbase wallet.